Hello, everyone. Hello, my dear viewers and subscribers, and welcome to Hello from Finland. Again, in this video, I'm coming back to the topic of happiness. I cannot help talking about happiness because it's very important for everybody. Happiness is an important, I stress it, it's a very important factor in human life. I'm serious about it. And I ask myself, Alex, why do you do so many videos about happiness? Now I understand why. Unfortunately, I see quite many people around me who are not happy. I think they should be happy, but they are not happy. And I contemplate on why are they not happy. They have no obvious problems in their lives. Their lives seem to be quite okay. No divorces, no illnesses or diseases to struggle with, and they are unhappy. So let's in this video, I want to contemplate on what makes us happy or what makes us unhappy. And I can only talk about myself, what makes me happy. In my previous videos, I told you that I was a happy man. And I repeat, I am a happy man. I'm a retired person. I'm 70 years old and I'm a happy man. So I want to tell you what makes me feel happy. Thanks God, my health is okay. I have no health problems. I am still quite fit. I regularly go to our ice hockey arena for stick time, and sometimes, probably once a week or once in 2 weeks, I go there for a game. So my health is okay. My psychological health is okay too. I am not a nervous man. I'm a quiet and tranquil man. And what makes me happy? When I wake up in the morning, I know that I'm not going to do things that I dislike. Nobody is going to force me to do things that I dislike. I'm going to do things that I like, and things that are probably not pleasures but are necessary. Take care of our home, go shopping, buy food, which is necessary. We can't live without food. And that's why I'm a happy man. I do things that I like and I don't do things that I don't like. Is it simple enough? What else do I need to be happy? I have quite a few favorite pastimes that make me more happy. This is playing hockey, cycling, reading books, watching TV shows and movies on Netflix, and watching something on YouTube. And this YouTube channel is just interesting for me to share my views, my opinion with you guys who watch my videos here. So, why should I be unhappy? Because I uh, have not become an astronaut or a world champion in some sports. But I don't care. This is not something that might make me unhappy. So why those people around me, some people that I know, they are in similar situation, in similar age and in similar position like myself, but they are not happy. I talk to them, they give me different answers. If you're interested to know, I could give you give you, I could tell you why some people, I could tell you what those people tell me and how they explain the fact why they are unhappy. So write it in your comments to this video, under this video, if you're interested to know why some people of my age and people without serious health problems are not happy, or some are even unhappy persons. So let's wrap it up. Let me ask you, what makes you happy or unhappy? What makes you happy? What makes you unhappy? Please share this, share your thoughts on this subject in your comments under this video, because your opinion matters. We can help other people to become happier persons than they are. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, so don't be shy and give it your like. Thanks again. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you here again. And hello from Finland. Bye bye.